Already got the 18-pound bag Magical Plus right here. This is a natural soil food that might be helpful for you if you're trying to raise your pH levels in your lawn. It arrived safely, and I'm going to show you how I apply this here in my townhouse backyard. I'm not actually going to test the pH level in my soil, so I'm just going to throw it in my yard because I have a lot of hard, compacted soil, and this also helps out with that. The area I live in is known for its clay in the soil, and I'm hoping that helps me break up some of these areas that I'm going to show you right here and start building some grass again. And I kind of just chop some lines in here, hoping that its stuff gets into the soil, you know, a little easier. I'm going to use this after every time I cut the grass. You can see it's real small and granule-like, so if you're going to use a spreader, be it a hand spreader or a push spreader, this will be perfect for that. I'm not going to need it. And if you need any more instructions after it arrives, you can see we've got a whole list of instructions, and it shows you how much you're going to need for the coverage you're going to need in your yard. I just cut up a water bottle, made myself a little scoop, and I'm going to use these sifters right here. The total square footage of my townhouse backyard is 900 square feet, and as you can see, a lot of stuff on either side of that, so I don't actually have 900 square foot. So what I'm going to be able to do is use this over and over again, this entire bag, throughout the summer and the fall, and in the spring too. You can pretty much use it anytime you want. And another cool thing when you're done too, it has a resealable bag on it. So there it is, this 18-pound bag covers 5,000 square foot. This should last me all through the seasons. And there we go, Magical Plus.